They finally got the trees up out of there. The trees is gone. She's flowing good. Pretty that is. She's so dope. Back on my nature shit. Back on my workout tip. My peace, my tranquility. Out in nature as the leaves start to change. Prettiest shit I've never seen. The leaves starting to change for fall. It's so dope. Get out and enjoy nature today. After work, before work, something. Get outside and look at the beauty around you. Enjoy it. Take it in. And make your day and your life a lot better, a lot easier. Deal with stress a little bit better. Relieve some of that anxiety.